Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are interested in Coursera Plus, right now is the good time because there is a Labor Day sale going on, and with that you can save 30% on Coursera Plus annual membership. Here you can see at the moment I am on Coursera Plus page. Right now you don't see any offers running, but if you go through my website you will be able to see that offer, because this offer is exclusive to only partners, and through partners you can get the discount. Let me show you that. This is our website onlinecoursesgalore.com, and here is that article which we have just published, and here I have included that partner link using which you can get 30% discount on Coursera Plus membership. Now here you can, if you want, you can read it. If you don't want to do that, you can simply go ahead and click on deal page. I'll provide the deal page in description box and first pinned comment of this video as well. You don't have to go to my website, you can straight away go to Coursera Plus by following those links. So this is here is the offer, Coursera Plus level up with Labor Day savings. You save $120 on annual membership of Coursera Plus. Here you can see the offer ends on 22 of September 2025, and right now the Coursera Plus membership is available at $279. Let me show you that by clicking on save now. So here you see you get $120 discount, and right now the final payment is $279 for a year of Coursera Plus subscription. With Coursera Plus subscription you get access to unlimited access to 10,000 plus courses, and these courses are from top universities and companies. Here you can see learn from 350 plus top universities and companies. You can also take a look at the companies that are the part of Coursera Plus learning platform. Here you can see the partners. These are the partners. You can check it out according to the regions. 350 plus universities and partners. So this is a good time for you to go ahead and get Coursera Plus subscription when it is available at 30% discount. Now just remember, the offer went live on 21st of August 2025 and it ends on 22nd of September 2025. And if you want to see, these are the offer terms. Claim the special limited time offer by September 2022 by 11:59 p.m. UTC, and it is only valid for new Coursera Plus subscribers only, and it is limited to one person. So this is what I wanted to share with my audience. If you are interested in Coursera Plus, just go ahead and leverage the discount being offered with Labor Day savings. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.